Hello everyone, welcome to the process video of robotic application development coursework. Today we are excited to take you on a journey into the future where robots help us with our day-to-day tasks, making life easier and more efficient. We are thrilled to present our new concept for robotic industry that will control how we handle our everyday tasks. Before we dive into more details, let me introduce myself. I am now the Sancharal Yenage and my index number is 12. My other team members will introduce themselves. All the students in this video are full-time students of Higher National Diploma in Software Engineering 24.1. It is the time to introduce our newest innovation. Our hope is to develop automated cocktail machine. Our primary goal is to create a sophisticated device that can automate the entire cocktail preparation process. Due to the problems with the manual cocktail service, we decided to make our own automated cocktail maker. This is the overall introduction for our project. Next, let's move on to the Proteus simulation of our automated cocktail maker.
Let's explore the key components in our Proteus diagram. At the core is the Arduino Uno microcontroller controlling the entire operation. The 4x4 keypad lets users input their cocktail choices processed by the Arduino. We use the L293D motor driver IC to control the DC motors for precise ingredient dispensing. The LM016L LCD display provides the real-time feedback showing the cocktail preparation status. To expand the Arduino's input-output ports, we use the PCF8574 input-output expander, enhancing flexibility. All components are connected and tested in Proteus to ensure a perfect design before building.
We are using these components for our project.
This is our design of cocktail machine. We create this using PVC board. This cocktail machine has a user-friendly interface and user can choose various liquid according to his or her preference, and also user can customize this. And for that we are making a number pad here, and also we are setting a LCD display here. We use Arduino Uno board. The main function of it is connecting device and interacting with both hardware and software. Also we use a breadboard to give power. Moreover, we use LCD display and as for signal converter for signal converting. Also we use 3 DC motors for liquid pumping.